Well, we're switching the heater on again today. It's gone really icy cold in Birmingham. It's minus, so we're going to get this heater going. I've just switched it on. Takes about 3 minutes to come on. It's all looking okay in there. Let's just start to come on now. If you can just hear that, that's the little electric pump just starting to pulse, and you can hear the motor in there just winding up and starting to roar. Go inside to see what's happening. Right up to the top. So we get on. Right, we've had the heater on for just over an hour, and it's not gone down very much. Let's see how much it's taking. There you go. That's not even a pint on full blast for probably an hour and 10-15 minutes, and the house is very warm. Back inside the house where it's absolutely boiling. The heat's even travelled upstairs and heated up there. It's only been on for about an hour and 25 minutes, and on topping the tank up on the machine to the brim, it didn't even use a pint of diesel, and that's on full blast. So looking good so far. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and watch my other videos.